Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slice. I like to do that time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. And the one dynamic here that really makes it intriguing is the final 30 minutes of the day, represented by that volume bar right there. And then you correspond that to the price action. And that, don't get me wrong, it was big volume, but it wasn't anything close to volume over here. But that big old price action really sent that price, very, very impressively into the close. So we'll see if this is the start of something bigger going forward from a momentum perspective. But as far as supports, first key level of supports, keep an eye on now going forward, and what I would call the preferable level is right there at 340. Meaning, if you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute best? Definitely if the price can stay above 340. If the price cannot hold above there, then not the end of the world. You still do have another area of support right there at 305. So 340 and 305, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 340 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance is just going to be the little high from the early morning, right there at the 380 mark. And then if the price can break through 380, then it just simply were a matter of where the price stopped going up today, and that was up at that round number of $4. So 380 and 4, next two key battlegrounds going forward. But things were looking, I don't want to say boring, but things were kind of looking just all right, a pullback. But then, like I said, that final 30 minutes happened. The price came roaring back. So that really changes up the setup quite a bit here. And we'll see how this one plays out on Thursday, and I'll be keeping an eye on it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.